Hello guys, this is Patrick from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Machinery. So today I would like to introduce the 100 liter, the manual perfume chilling and mixing tanks. So behind me is the 100 liter perfume chilling and mixing tanks. So let's see the whole structure of these machines, okay? So actually before the machine ship to DIU, we will test and run in the machines in our factory to let you see how the machines working. To let you assume after you're satisfied, then we ship the machines to you. So now let's follow my lead to come and check the machines, okay? So here is the first part. Here is the mixing and chilling tank, and the machine is driven by the pneumatic motors. And let's see inside the structure, the chilling pipe and the mixing pedal. And here is the diaphragm pump. It is for like to pump the perfume. And here is the micropulse filters, the flame filters. And let's see the control panel first, okay? So here is the high pressure gauge, and here is the button pressure gauge to let you to check whether the machine is in the normal working. And here is the main power. When you need to open the machines, you need to open the main power first. Now the main power switch is open, okay? After you open the main power switch, then you need to open the power source. So now the machine means the machine is in the working. Open this first and then open this, okay? And you can see here is the temperature control. What now the machine shows is the indoor temperature. It's the 27 degrees, it's indoor temperature. Okay, so you see here is our control panel, and you can see from the left to the right was like the power indicator, the compressor indicator, the diaphragm pump indicator, the mixing indicator, and here is the high pressure fault indications and the low pressure fault indications. And when the machine is working, you need to turn all the switch. So after the perfume is finished and you want the perfume to go to the micropulse filter and flame filter for filtering, so you need to open the valve 4, open the valve 5 and close the valve 3, which will let the perfume from the perfume mixing tank to go to the micropulse filter, the flame filter, and then recycling into the tanks for diaphragm pump. Then now let me show you, okay? The perfume now is go to the micropulse filter, the flame filter, and then go back to the perfume chilling mixing tanks. Okay. So now the machines is already introduced, which is a quite easy operating machines. One, you need to do for the machines connected with the air compressor. And number 2, to just open the main power, the power source, everything is open, and then to set the temperatures. And here is the emergency stop button. For something the machine has something emergency happens, or the worker has some emergency happen, just press this button and the machines will automatically to shut down. So this is a really easy machines, okay?